Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from 29 nautical miles northwest of the St. Joseph Pirehead to 12 nautical miles northeast of Wilmette Harbor to 16 nautical miles southwest of Waukegan Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Michigan City Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, and Indiana Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.